NATO sends drones to the Russian border area. But the NATO drone was caught by Russia. Moscow also considers drone flights in the border area to be illegal. In addition, Russia considers this action a provocative action. This was conveyed by the governor of Russia's Pskov province, Mikhail Vedernikov. He said he managed to detect drones flown by NATO clandestinely. This drone was spotted after the last few weeks the drone re-entered the Russian border area. He revealed that NATO's action was carried out before Russia began its invasion of Ukraine. Vedernikov reported that a drone belonging to the NATO military entered the Pskov border area. The region lies along Russia's borders with Estonia, Latvia, and Belarus. The Russian side considers this to be a provocative action initiated by NATO. This action is considered to worsen the geopolitical situation in Europe. Moscow believes that this action was carried out by NATO to help Ukraine destroy the Russian military fortifications in the border area. This claim was then corroborated by the emergence of 2 drone attacks sent by Ukraine to the Sevastopol region on the Crimean Peninsula. Not only that, there was also an explosion at the Ostrov air base in the Pskov region, which is located 30 kilometers from the Russian border. Until it destroyed 2 Russian Ka-52 attack helicopters. On the other hand, Moscow has repeatedly warned NATO countries not to supply weapons to Ukraine. This warning grew stronger when Ukraine complained that weapons and ammunition were running low. Because the war with Russia depleted the stock of ammunition in the arsenal of Ukraine. In response to Ukraine's complaints, some NATO countries have struggled to supply weapons to Ukraine. Only major powers, including the US, have the potential to continue arming Kiev.